often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Life pushed us indoors, yet we wallowed the rough storms with perseverance and resilience. The waves of crisis confronted humanity, but we sprung up and embraced the uncertainty in order to continue our journey. The road to tomorrow is paved with hope and optimism. There are pages unwritten, stories untold, and it is time for a new chapter to begin with, a world of our own. Many toddlers dreamt the school and prepared to coalesce when they watched the teachers and friends on the screen. Homeschooling is really an enjoyment and virtual socializing for us. We grapple with unfamiliar conferencing technologies, virtual classrooms, and intractable softwares. We learn together. The cohort of learners miss their peer happiness, affectionate and warm hugs of teachers. We are awakened to another academic year. The distance from digital learning to widely opened and interactive classrooms and a mass social isolation to unmasked peer socializing is not so long. Let us be thankful for today and hopeful for tomorrow. God is our refuge and strength, who holds us close to Him. We begin seeking God Almighty's blessings for a triumphant and splendid academic year. An incomparable visionary and the pillar of our school's development and success, Mrs. Sonia Susan Burkey, our Honorable Principal, is here with her message.
Good morning, everyone. We are extremely happy to welcome you all to a span new academic year 21-22. It is quite evident as to how eagerly you were waiting to come back to your school routine, mix with your friends and teachers, and also to learn new lessons. Glad to see that all of you are safe and healthy. Last year, schooling was a different experience as we had to consider online classes on a virtual forum. This year, let's remain hopeful that very soon our campus will become lively and be the hub of all our learning exchanges. As you all know, our world is under the clutches of a terrible second wave of the pandemic. Humanity is striving hard to resolve these issues with a panacea. Vaccination and similar new medications are surely emanating a ray of hope in this situation. In such situation, rather than losing our cool, we should focus on self-equipping. We should strictly resort to the medical advice and closely follow the instructions given to us. Wearing a mask, washing your hands frequently, and maintaining social distance are a very few important ones. If a small change in our life could bring about a massive result to our society, we should not think twice. Rather than cursing the darkness, let's light a lamp and move on confidently. Let's smartly coexist with these voices without letting them cross our paths and overpower us. Dear Piterians, let's be more conscious and alert enough to maintain our health and resume our normal life. Believe, everything is possible. Very soon, you will be all rushing into the campus with packed bags and broad smiles. The school bell will ring for you and the corridors will once again be buzzing with your chatter. That day is not so far when you will see your friends cheering for you as you walk into the podium to receive your prizes. Every nook and corner of this campus is waiting for your homecoming. Hope and prayer, coupled with a dash of resoluteness, can make anything happen. Seeking all blessings for the good health and heartiness of all the Piterians and your dear ones. I welcome all of you to this new academic year. Let's refocus our attention to the learning activities. May the days to come rekindle you in the spirit to emerge with the flying colors of success. Thank you.
Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. The classrooms await for your amazing stories. Books anticipate the ardent and voracious readers. Apparatus are waiting for the dexterous and inquisitive learners. Corridors listen out for your echoing footsteps. Auditorium anticipates your claps and cheers. Toys and rides expect the arrival of their playmates. Lawns and playgrounds are eager to join in your scuffling and bouncing of feet. Lilies, dahlias, and marigolds are all set for a garden party. As a garden awaits the spring after a long winter, St. Peter's awaits your arrival. We shall overcome this gloomy phase together and walk confidently without masks and social distancing. The closed buildings and the shuttered doors would widely open to receive you all soon. Striking the chord on a positive note resonates positivity everywhere. The darkest hours are just before the dawn. The darkest side is veiled by vibrant colors, promising hope and optimism. Tomorrow is always fresh. And remember, the best view comes after the hardest climb. Breaking the locks and barriers of screen, we will bounce back, more united, more connected. And soon, the classrooms will be filled with fun and frolic. There are better days ahead. Brighter days are in the horizon. We will embrace the new academic year 21-22, wrapped in hope and faith.